Today we're going to classify angles. So I've drawn a grid here. If we start on the right, 0 degrees, and as we move around, we hit 90, 180, 270, all the way back here, and back here when we go all the way around, it's actually equal to 360 degrees. So let's start. Anything between 0 and 90, okay, between those two is called acute. So that would be example of acute. This is also an example of something that's acute. If we stop at exactly the 90-degree angle, if we stop at exactly 90 degrees, it's called a right angle. Anything between the 90 and the 180 is called obtuse. So if you see an angle that's a little bit bigger than the 90, we call that obtuse. So that's an example of obtuse, obtuse, obtuse. If we stopped right at 180, it'll look like a straight line, and it's actually called that. It's a straight angle. So a straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. Anything between 180 and 360, so anything bigger than a straight line, like here, 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 is called a reflex angle. So we've started at my 0, and we've moved all the way around to this point. If you've gone all the way around once, so you've moved 360 degrees, that's called angle of revolution. And that means you've done one complete turn. So an angle of revolution means we started here, we went all the way around, and we stopped there. Now I just want to write some of these down. So an acute angle is an angle that's less than 90 degrees. Let me move that page out. So that means if I had an angle like this and like this, inside here, that's smaller than 90 degrees. A right angle is just that. It is an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. To show 90 degrees, what we do is we draw a box sometimes. But what that means is we've traveled from here to here, and that's 90 degrees. An obtuse angle means something that's bigger than 90 degrees, but not bigger than a straight line. So an example of an obtuse angle would be something like this, where I started here and I ended there. And move this up a little bit. A straight angle. A straight angle is just a straight line. So a straight angle is a straight line where we've traveled from our 0, 180 degrees. Reflex angle is an angle that's gone all the way around and past the straight line. So that means we started someplace over here, went all the way around, and ended there. Angle of revolution. Well, that's when we've gone all the way around and right back to our starting point. So I've started here, I've gone all the way around, and I've come right back to my starting point.